Hi, we're here with Philip Russom, who is the Research Director for Data Management for TDWI. And Philip, we have a forum coming up in our Orlando show. I understand it's about the emerging technologies in big data. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, that's correct. The forum is a conference within the conference. It's a 2-day event with around 14, 15 speakers, and we're going to have mostly users talking about their success with what we call emerging technologies. Furthermore, we're going to have some users talking about how emerging technologies overlap with big data. So, part of the challenge with big data is getting some business value out of it. And one pathway to business value for big data is through emerging technologies like advanced data visualization, geospatial data analysis, things like just more and more types of analysis for data mining, for statistical analysis, text analytics, and so forth. So a lot of these emerging technologies turn out to be a really good way to get a lot more information and value out of big data.
So it sounds like this forum will have a lot of good information. Who would get value out of it?
The audience we're targeting is someone who's typically a manager in IT, more a manager in a BI or data warehouse team, but also people who work in those kind of teams would be great. All the speakers will follow a template where they talk about the business reasons for the technologies they've implemented. So people who are really business management or business people in general who depend on BI, data warehousing, and data management would get a great deal out of the conference as well.
Will there be any opportunities for the attendees to interact with each other and or the people who are presenting?
That's a great question. And with the forums, we always assume that it's going to be a collaborative affair. So, for example, the 2 days of the conference, we'll have a catered lunch, a real hot sit-down kind of meal, and we'll have tables set up with different topics, so people can sit down at a table, say, and talk about advanced data visualization. They can sit at a different table and talk about big data, that kind of thing. Also, Monday night of the forum is a cocktail reception for 2 hours, just for the forum. So we definitely have some ways for the forum attendees to meet each other and to share ideas.
Great. Is there anything else you'd like to share about the forum?
Well, I think it'd be a lot of fun because we're talking about emerging technologies which are new, and you know how it is, people get excited about new technologies, so it'll be a lot of fun.
Great. Thanks for your time today.
Hey, you bet. My pleasure.